A police officer in Dapitan City faces administrative and criminal complaints after allegedly pointing his gun at a construction worker while intoxicated. Remus Macasero is on the line for the details. Remus, go ahead.
My NAPOLCOM officials gathered here at the DILG NAPOLCOM Center following the arrival of Police Corporal Henry Torres Bukida Jr., who allegedly drew a pistol against a construction worker while intoxicated. NAPOLCOM Commissioner Rafael Vicente Calinisan strongly condemned the reckless actions of the off-duty cop. The officer threatened to kill the victim in Barangay Antipolo, Dapitan City in Zamboanga del Norte last June 21. Calinisan confirmed that during the briefing that Bukida was already relieved from the Sapang Dalaga Municipal Police Station and reassigned at the provincial headquarters and administrative service of the Misamis Occidental PPO. Authorities confiscated his issued firearms and deposited them to the supply office, while endorsing a criminal complaint for grave threats to the Dapitan City Prosecutor's Office. Based on the official NAPOLCOM statement, the officer was already facing separate pending administrative and criminal cases involving Republic Act 9262. Calinisan directed the regional office to immediately file administrative charges for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. The agency promised to purge its ranks of undisciplined personnel who abuse their authority and terrorize ordinary citizens. Mai?
Remus, did the authorities mention what triggered the altercation between this police officer and the construction worker?
Based on the investigation by the Dapitan City Police, nagtanong lang ang biktima sa suspect na umano'y laseng. Ito'y biglang naglabas ng barel at tinutok sa biktima bago ito makatakbo palayo.
Tapos Remus, you mentioned that Police Corporal Bukida is already facing other cases. Did NAPOLCOM provide more details about the previous offenses?
That is correct, Mike. Commissioner Calinisan highlighted that Bukida was already facing administrative proceedings for alleged violations of Republic Act 9262. In fact, records show na may pre-trial conference na siya scheduled for tomorrow, June 30, 2026, para sa criminal case na pending sa Family Court of Dapitan City. NAPOLCOM noted that this existing case makes this latest incident even more alarming. Mai?
Nasaan na daw si Police Corporal Bukida ngayon? Naaresto ba siya after the video was taken?
Initially, my personnel from the Dapitan City Police Station conducted a hot pursuit operation sa bahay ng suspect pero hindi nila nahanap. Eventually, nag-surface ito sa Sapang Dalaga Municipal Police Station. Mula doon, he was relieved from his post, reassigned to Misamis Occidental Police Provincial Office at currently placed under police custody habang kinumpiska naman ang kanyang barel. Mai?
Maraming salamat, Remus Macasero reporting.